everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a set of press-on nails for my trip to New York with MAKARTT. So as always, the first thing that I am doing is just going in and measuring all of my nails to make sure that I pick the correct size. After that, I'm going in and just shaping them up. Like, they're already a coffin shape, but I just want to make sure that they're like the perfect crispy coffin shape that I want. So I'm going in with my 8080 Get No 32 hand file, and I'm just shaping them up really well and just really following the free edge. And after that, I'm going in with my buffer and just buffing the surface of the nail, and that's just so the acrylic sticks to the nail really well, because I do always do a thin coat of acrylic over all of my nails. That way they're nice and sturdy and I can rewear them however many times I want. So we're gonna go ahead and do that on all of the nails, and this is what they look like after they've all been prepped. So I just dust them off and then apply a primer, and now I'm going in with the acrylic, and like I said, I'm just doing a layer of that. This is actually the Pretty in Pink acrylic, and just applying that over all of the nails just to give it a nice pink shade to it. Since I am going to be doing kind of like a French tip, I still want that pink to, you know, show up underneath, and then that way it's not just a clear nail, because then that won't be cute, because then you'll be able to see the glue on my nail. But anyway, so yeah, I did this set for my trip to New York with MAKARTT. We did a pink takeover at the NYDC beauty supply store, and it was an amazing turnout. It was myself and Maida doing demonstrations, and then we had Sean Legend as our special guest, and we definitely had a lot of people come by and see us. We took a lot of pictures. I had great conversations with a lot of the girls that came out and showed some love. They had treats for people, and then they had free goodie bags for the first 30 purchases, and it was just overall a great experience. I definitely had a great time. Like, this was my third time in New York, but I feel like this was honestly like the best time that I've had in New York, because it was just a whole nother experience. So definitely am looking forward to one day going back again and meeting you girls again. Hopefully MAKARTT will come out there and do a class and have me, you know, be a part of it, which is something that they did mention. So hopefully they, you know, decide to do that. But anyway, so after we applied the acrylic on all of the nails, I'm just going in and reshaping them, and then I'm going in with my buffer and just buffing them really good. And when I'm doing this, of course, the acrylic is already nice and smooth on the entire nail, but I'm just focusing on making sure that the acrylic is nice and smooth like around that cuticle area. That way whenever I apply the nails, they look like they're almost just coming out of my cuticle area, and they just look really natural and more like acrylic and not like press-ons. Because I know whenever I was at the event, people kept complimenting my nails and they thought that they were acrylics, and I'm like, no, they're press-ons, you know. But that's just how good they looked, or you know, how they look exactly like acrylic nails. So again, the trick is just to make sure that they're really smooth around that cuticle area, and just almost, you know, just trying to thin it down to where you don't have like a big old lump of acrylic at the back. So just doing that on all of the nails, and then after that we're going to dust them off and then wipe them off to apply the gel polish. Alrighty, so up next we're going to be applying the polish, and this is actually the pink out of my Essential collection, which will be launching soon. Definitely can't wait because I know a lot of people were complimenting the pink on my nails as well, and so they kind of motivated me to go ahead and just get the product out. So I'm just going in and just outlining this part, which is closer to the cuticle area, and just filling it in, and then I'm gonna do like a French tip and then outlining the French tip as well, and everything's gonna be done with this pink and then this small nail art brush. So again, just doing this part around the cuticle area, French tip, and then the outline, and we're gonna do that on all of the nails. But back to the story. So I ended up leaving Little Rock on Saturday, made it to New York Saturday night, and then the actual event was on Sunday from 11 to like 2 p.m. and we were there the entire time. Like I said, we had a lot of people come by. Maida and I were demonstrating how the polygels work, which I, for the most part, I really don't use polygel at all, but that's what we were swatching because those were the products that are going to be sold in the NYDC beauty supply store. And so we were just watching them, showing the different colors, showing how, to apply the polygels. So most definitely I am going to be doing a video here soon on how to apply polygel, because a lot of people that were stopping by had no clue either what polygel was or how to apply the polygel. So definitely will be doing a video on that here soon. But other than that, the hotel room was beautiful. The view was beautiful. When I got there, they had a whole set of products laid out for me. I got the new Flawless Pro nail lamp. I got some acrylics, a new brush, a new liner, polishes, like a whole bunch of good stuff that they gave me. So I think I'm going to be doing a giveaway with some of the products that they gave me to the people that came out to the event, as just, just showing my appreciation. So be looking forward to that if you were at the event. But yeah, so then after the event that night, I went out with the team, which was Sally, Maddie, Michael, and then Sean Legend. So it was definitely a really, really good time. We will be in LA in October for a nail class. That is going to be a 2-day class. It's going to include the kit. And y'all, when I say even just like the price that you're paying for the kit, you cannot beat. Like, you're getting the brand new Flawless Pro nail lamp and drill. You're getting the acrylic. You're getting polishes. Like, you're literally getting a lot for, I think it's only $700. I've posted the flyer on my Instagram. I believe I've posted it here on YouTube as well. So if you're in the LA area, make sure you come out and take the class. It's gonna be me, V Nailed It, and Tom, I think his name is Tommy. I can't remember, but I'll be sure to post the flyer again on my Instagram so you guys can come out and join us, or just stop by and say hey to us. But definitely look forward to working with them again. Working with MAKARTT definitely is a great experience. They definitely make you feel loved. I don't think, and that's what I was talking to them about, like, there's not one other company that, for one, I've ever even met in person, let alone fly me out somewhere and, have me, working for them, other than, hey, can you do a video for me? And that's literally where that relationship ends. So like I said, definitely a great experience. So it makes me feel good to promote their products, knowing that, they take care of us, and that, for one, their products are good as well. And so it just kind of motivates me to just continue helping them, because they do a lot for the people that work for them. But anyways, now I'm just going in and applying the top coat on all of the nails. And unfortunately, I didn't get like an actual video of the nails, but I did get some footage of me with the nails on. So I'll be showing you guys that here soon. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.